Hi folks, I am 12MJRPMDS14. You can either call me 12MJ, or like MJ. So I'm here today to basically show you a bit more of the in-depth view of some of the VR chat avatars in terms of their toggles. So I'm going to the avatars menu, and these are like the recently most used, and there are avatar favorites. Then I have technically shown in the first one of the earlier VrChat Mobile tutorial videos that I've made. But I'm going to basically demonstrate like each of these avatars, and you will basically see so I can either access like uh, these kinds of menus. You can do this, and Shantae is stuck in his T pose, and then you can press reset avatar. Like sometimes the menu glitches out because it's trying to load the reset. So if you see those default buttons there that temporarily replaces the toggles, it's usually okay. So these toggles are essentially these toggles here are essentially interesting. They some of these toggles are quite different depending on which avatar. Like a in actual truth, these avatars toggles are not equal. And you can adjust the hover height depending on which avatar has the toggle available. So I'm going to press reset. And sometimes even the menu glitches. So I'm going back to basically reset the avatar. Just in case. You can also activate the avatars gestures over here. And sometimes there are credits from these people who made some of the avatars that they've made, but that depends on each user. And I did already demonstrate in my previous tutorial of the height, which the maximum average height for each avatar is usually 5 meters max. The smallest is 0.20 meters, which is essentially small. Right here. And also you can a minor thing, you can also close the menu this way. Now let's go back to expressions, and you can also basically either do this. You can also reset avatar like this. And you can also reset height. So that's essentially a demonstration the avatar heights. And then there's other stuff such as Shantae's various clothes. This is Nega Shantae from introduced in Shantae Risky's Revenge, which is the sequel to the original Shantae game. And then hang on, I will activate a mirror so that you can view the full avatar. I'm going to make it big over here. Mirror snapping to make the view usable, and then I'm going to basically put the avatar here, in terms of the mirror. Then I'm going to turn off like a grabbable for a second. And wait a moment, I'm going to like demonstrate like the opacity of the mirror. Like you can go like completely transparent for like only the mirror frame to be shown. And like these are like the other settings. It could like the UI being shown in the mirror. So like you can like I did demonstrate the adjustments of the mirror before, such as like a personal mirror. And like adjusting personal mirror right here. And like the mirror can like track like a different like parts, where it being like your head, the world, or like place space. So let's go for like size to adjust the mirror's like size so that I can like fully showcase the avatar here. So right here, like other toggles that I will show include like removing Shantae's arm plates, like remove her vest, her shoes, her leggings, even like removing her ponytail as well, even like her neck band. And because like you technically have the ability to like give like a Shantae, in her case, like basically have like her like attire shown here. So like sometimes like some toggles like very much glitch, which is a kind of a usual like a annoyance depending on like which avatars. Some of them usually glitched out. So like that's basically like Shantae's toggles. I will like show you a different like a avatar. So let's go for Risky Boots as an example. As you can see, Risky Boots does not have normal toggles. Like, her toggles are completely different from Shantae's. Because, like, people who, like, create, like, different avatars, basically, like, have, like, different ways of creating avatars, and even, like, have their own preferred, like, animations. And, like, sometimes some different animations load, depends on like various factors in terms of like making the avatar and like getting the animation to like load and animate. And like for some toggles, like some of the toggles such as like the flying / hover mode is usually like missing. And like once again, like here are like some other toggles, like risky, like Roddy Tots' head can be removed. Same goes for her leg, as shown here in the mirror. And then her right arm can also be removed. I can also like reset the logo, but sometimes it doesn't seem to reset, so usually reset avatar is like mainly reliable. Even mirror animations. And like there's like a different like toggles every time. So like usually like a these toggles like usually are like very different compared to like other avatars. However, that doesn't always mean like these like avatars are like a neat to have, depending on like your preference of like different like avatar animations. Reset avatar. And one more avatar I want to demonstrate is like knights. So like this is Knights' avatar that like one of the Knights fans have made. So I'm going to like demonstrate like Knights' own toggles, which once again they seem very different. Even like Knights' toggle for their neck ruffles are different. There's also a Christmas toggle essentially. And then I remove like the neck ruffle here. And then like this is Go Go Loco. Like Go Go Loco is like usually one of the most common like a default like a animation and like a pose packs that like people use. Even includes like the usual like hover, as shown right here. There's even some flying animations as well. Like even like you can like have knights in a default flying pose. Like there's also like some animations that are available, but for some reason like we don't necessarily know why it works, like or how, or if it even does work, due to like limitations on like the device, such as mobile, or like because like you need like other like different platforms like VR headset for it to work. Same goes for like some cases for desktop. Or probably chances are like said like animation packs don't necessarily work, or like different like settings and toggles in like different avatars. Which like that's sometimes the case, and like sometimes some animations are like broken or glitched out. So this is like all I can like show in terms of the VrChat mobile tutorial. So bye and later, folks. Thanks for viewing my video on like VrChat mobile tutorial here regarding avatars.